Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So just before we get into the video, I thought of giving you a little update. So since the week didn't start on a very good note, just because I was a little unwell and the medication kind of always makes you feel pretty low and not so up to the mark, if I would say so. That's the reason we thought of trying this art. Now, any form of art is very relaxing for the first thing, and also it's a good distraction from the routine that you have. So this fluid art is something that I really was wanting to do for a long time, and since it's a Sunday and my sister-in-law was coming over to see us, I thought of let's just do it together, and I could also share my experience with you. Now, I'm not very good when it comes to any form of painting or craft, but I love it because it really just kills a good amount of time, and also it's a good change from the routine, like I said. And well, I think it's a best Sunday if you want to spend with your family or with your friends or just with your kids around. So well, I'm just gonna show you how I do the fluid art, and let's do it together. Hi, so we're gonna start with the fluid painting. Now this is a kit that I've purchased from a local stationery shop, but you can also get this on Amazon. I would try and put a link down below. It is a fluid acrylic color kit. It does not cost much. It's just for $2.49, which is actually a very good deal because it comes with 4 different colors. It comes with a canvas and an apron to it. You don't get gloves and a glass which you need to pour it, but that's fine. You could always buy it from a pharmacy store or just a general store. Now, a gloves is a must on this because you're gonna have a lot of mess otherwise. Apron of course comes in here, but it's optional if you want to wear it, if you don't want to wear it, okay? So this comes in 3 different shades, which is a black, a blue and a red. I chose this. My sister-in-law Asmita chose the blue one, which I would put a picture up here which she made, and then I'll show you. Also, my sister-in-law is gonna accompany me do this, so we're gonna try. There is a canvas inside here. Also, I have tiny ones which are more like the coaster sizes that I'm gonna try first because this is my first time and I don't want to spoil the big one right away. Also, we have some extra canvases that I picked up from a stationery store. So we're gonna do a couple of them and I'm gonna show you the final result. Also, let's get started. So now we're going to start with this, Jiansh, okay?
Okay.
Are you going to do with the brush?
This is my brush.
Are you gonna do with the brush?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But I don't need gloves.
Where is an apron? Now should I wear this or you want to wear it?
I don't wear it.
Okay. So, if you have kids at home, tie them in some room or lock them somewhere. Come stand up. Come further.
Give me my dad.
So now, since you're wearing the apron, I'll wear gloves, okay? You can mess your hands.
Okay. I
Okay.
can make my hand.
Yeah. Because we have to share, right?
Yeah.
So I'm wearing gloves and you're wearing the apron.
I want to wear the leg.
They're too big. Your hands are too small. It's okay. We can wash it out, okay? Ooh. So, do you want to tell them? Subscribe to Atu's channel. No, say properly. Look in the phone and say subscribe to Atu's channel.
Why?
Subscribe. Look there.
Survive.
Subscribe. Say there. Look at Mama and say to Atu's channel
Survive to a channel.
and Mama's channel.
And Mama's channel.
Your Mama's behind the camera today. Najesh? These are the 4 colors, which is a beautiful golden, silver, white and black. Okay, so we're gonna try. I have heard that the golden and silver is not very liquidy. So we're gonna first
I
try.
want to use the black one.
You're not talking, okay? Cut this cup a bit because it's too tall. and it's easier to pour if you have like a medium sized cup, which I couldn't find in the stationery or anywhere. I don't know why. So I just got a bigger one and I'm gonna cut it now. I'm just gonna support this on here. And let's get started. I'm so excited. Are you excited,
Where
Jian?
is my blush?
Are you excited?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
where is my blush?
You don't need brush for this. I'll show you once and then you do, okay?
Okay.
So I will start with white.
I think I like black.
Okay, wait, let's start with white.
Yeah. Black and white. Next.
So
green.
white.
And
Then I'm not. Oh.
it's okay. Then
I'm gonna
black.
put. Look at this. Wow. मला तर असंच चांगलं वाटतं. Jian, just look at the colors. Do not waste your colors, guys. नीचे से उठाओ और वापस डालो. Reuse all the colors as much as you can. Just because it's golden and silver in the colors, they are not as fluid as normal colors. So that's the reason you really have to bang a little more than usual. But just look the way it's falling. I love how it looks. It's such an abstract painting. Wow. Oh. It's really so relaxing. थोड़ा सा वर्कआउट भी इंक्लूड है इसमें. But it's really nice. Amazing. है ना? Yes, oh my god. It's such a abstract painting. This is so gorgeous. I can't believe I've done it. I am not so good in painting, but I can't believe I've done it. This is so nice. How is it, Jash?
Good.
It's good or very good?
Very good.
Will you give me a star for this?
Yeah.
Wow, love you. Okay, so now we are gonna try a different one because we have one more canvas left each. So we are gonna try something to do with the blow dryer. So let's see how it turns, okay? We both are gonna try one each. So, which is your cup, Dad? this is how the final one looks. I did a bluish shade and she's done such a beautiful one. This is so nice. Look at it. Wow.
But it doesn't like a blue color.
This is so nice. We're just gonna go a little extra and add little sparkles to it. Let's see how it looks. This is how it looks. The final effect is so amazing. It's like a midnight dream. It's so lovely. So I'm gonna end the video up here. My hands are all messed up. My apron was worn by my nephew, so I don't have one, and luckily I've not spoiled my clothes. And we made like 6 of the canvas. This is one. My sister-in-law made this one and it is absolutely amazing. Look at the colors. Wow. Okay, there's a dog here. Okay. This is so gorgeous. And then we made 2 of the small coaster ones like these. This is again made by my sister-in-law and one by my nephew, which I will share in a bit. So these are the coaster sizes, that one is made by my sister-in-law and one by my nephew, of course. So these are the 2 small size ones, and then the 2 other ones which is made by me. This is so gorgeous. I love how the gold pops up on this. This is so amazing. It looks really nice. And this is the one again made by Asmita, which is beautiful. This is so satisfying. I mean, it does mess up your house or the room. It does mess up yourself. Look at my hands. Oh my god. But this is so satisfying, guys. You must try this home. It's really satisfying. It's such a good therapy. And I think it's the best way you could spend your Sunday. So bye for now. Take care. Love you.